Good morning, students. I hope all are fine. Did you go through yesterday contents? Yes, children. Yesterday we learned addition of rules of integers which are having same sign. Today we will continue the rules of adding and subtracting integers. And we'll start to do exercise problems. At last we will revise what are the important points we have learned today. Okay, let us start. See children, this is the rule yesterday we have studied. If the signs are the same, add the numbers and then put the sign of the addends in front of your answer. So, we learnt 9 plus 5 is equal to 14 and minus 9 plus minus 5 equal to minus 14. Rule number 2, if the signs are different, we should subtract the smaller number from the larger number and in the answer we should put the larger number sign. For why? Example, minus 9 plus 5. In that larger absolute value is 9. So from 9 we should subtract 5. 9 minus 5 equal to 4. But in answer we should put minus sign. Therefore our answer is minus 4. See children, some more example. First example, 3 plus minus 5. In that 5 is larger, so we should subtract 3 from 5. Second example, minus 4 plus 7. In that 7 is larger, so we should subtract 4 from 7. Third problem, 4 is larger, we should subtract 3 from 4. Similarly, remaining all problems. In this case, don't bother about the sign. Which is larger, from that number you should subtract the smaller number. But in answer, we should put greater number sign. Right? So, pay attention and watch carefully how I am solving all these examples. 5 minus 3 equal to 2. 5 have minus sign, so in answer minus. 7 minus 4 equal to 3. 7 having plus sign, so plus sign in answer. 4 minus 3 equal to 1. 4 is minus, so minus sign in the answer. Similarly, fourth one, fifth one and sixth one. If you observe, you can understand. Is it clear, children? Last one, 9 minus 9 equal to 0. 0 is signless number. It is always positive. See children, here we are having the same rules in simple way. When the signs are the same, add and keep the sign. When the signs are different, subtract and use the sign of the larger number. It is very simple. So this rule you write down into your notebook. Next, in table also it is given integer sign, operation, answer sign with example. This table also you should copy. Now we'll start the exercise problems. Neatly you write down the heading integers exercise 1.1. First problem, following number line shows the temperature in degrees Celsius at different places on a particular day. On the number line, one day temperature of different places given. Which are the places are given? Bangalore, Ooty, Shimla, Srinagar, Lagul Spiti. 5 places temperatures are given. First we have to know each place temperature. Bangalore, 20 afterwards 2 line, that is 22 it is. Next Ooty, 10 after 4th line it is. So Ooty is 14 degree Celsius. Shimla, it is exact at 5, so 5 degree Celsius. Srinagar, it is left hand side of 0, so it will be negative. So it is in second line, so minus 2 degree Celsius. Lagul Spiti, minus 5 afterwards, left hand side 1, 2, 3. So minus 8 degree Celsius, Lagul Spiti temperature. Like this, first we have to list out all the places temperature in this way. See children, cities and temperature. Lahaul Spiti minus 8 degrees Celsius, Srinagar minus 2 degrees Celsius, Shimla 5 degrees Celsius, Ooty 14 degrees Celsius, Bangalore 22 degrees Celsius. Now the question. First question is that only. Observe this number line and write the temperature of the places marked on it. This is the answer for first question. Next, what is the second question? What is the temperature of difference between the hottest and the coldest place among the above? Which is the hottest and coldest place? We'll have in the table. Hottest place is Bangalore, coldest place is Srinagar. Now we are going to find their difference. See, first we will write like this. The temperature of the hottest place is 22 degrees Celsius. The temperature of the coldest place equal to minus 8 degrees Celsius. Difference of these two. We should subtract these two numbers. When they ask difference, always we should subtract from greater number. So 22 is greater. From that we should subtract minus 8. So minus into minus become plus. 22 plus 8 is 30 degrees Celsius. Question C. What is the temperature difference between Lahaul Spiti and Srinagar? Yeah, in the table we are having Lahaul Spiti's temperature is minus 8 degrees Celsius, Srinagar minus 2 degrees Celsius. Now we are going to find their difference. Its temperature of Lahaul Spiti is equal to minus 8 degrees Celsius. Temperature of Srinagar is equal to minus 2 degrees Celsius. Then difference, minus 2 degrees Celsius is larger. From that you subtract minus 8 degrees Celsius. So minus into minus become plus. Minus 2 degrees Celsius plus 8 degrees Celsius equal to 6 degrees Celsius. Fourth question. Can we say temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is less than the temperature at Shimla? Is it also less than the temperature at Srinagar? Means that sum of Srinagar and Shimla temperature is less than the temperature of Shimla. At the same time it is less than the temperature of Srinagar. We will prove that. Temperature of Srinagar equal to minus 2 degrees Celsius. Temperature of Shimla equal to 5 degrees Celsius. The temperature of the above cities taken together, it gives 3 degrees Celsius. Now you see, temperature of Shimla is equal to 5 degrees Celsius. This is greater than the above cities total. Hence the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is less than that of Shimla by 2 degrees Celsius. Now second question. In a quiz, positive marks are given for correct answers and negative marks are given for incorrect answers. If Jack's scores in 5 successive rounds were given, 5 rounds marks were given, 25, minus 5, minus 10, 15 and 10. What was his total at the end? See children, here Jack's scores in 5 successive rounds were given. First round he has scored positive mark. Second round he has scored negative marks. Third round again negative marks. Fourth and fifth round he has scored positive marks. Now at the end what is his total marks? See, first we will write all the scores in this way. Next, marks given for correct answers. Which are the positive numbers? We will add them. Marks given for incorrect answer, which are negative numbers, we add them. At last, if we subtract that 2, we can get the marks at the end. 50 plus of minus 5, you will get 50 minus 15 is equal to 35. Now 35 is his total marks in that 5 rounds. Children, today's class we have studied how to add and subtract the integers. The integers are having same sign, we should add them. If they are having opposite sign, we should subtract them. And then we have solved two problems in the exercise. Go through it. In that, if you have any doubt, you can ask. And I have given 5 problems as homework. These 5 problems you have to do it in the homework notebook. 100-page book you keep for doing the homework problems. Today end of the session. Tomorrow we will continue to solve the exercise problems. Thank you.